Maintenance and repair of industrial gearboxes, lubrication, inspection, and replacement of worn parts. Industrial gearboxes are critical components in many industrial applications, transmitting power and torque to various machinery and systems. However, without proper maintenance and repair, they can experience significant wear and tear, leading to reduced efficiency, increased downtime, and costly repairs. One of the most important aspects of industrial gearbox maintenance is proper lubrication. Lubricants serve several purposes, including reducing friction, protecting against corrosion, and maintaining a consistent level of viscosity. Without proper lubrication, the gearbox can experience significant wear and tear, leading to reduced efficiency, increased downtime, and costly repairs. Regular inspections of the gearbox are essential to ensure it operates efficiently and effectively. During these inspections, it is important to look out for common problems such as leaks, vibrations, and excessive noise. Prompt detection and resolution of these problems are essential to avoid more significant issues and prevent costly downtime. Replacement of worn parts is also critical. Worn parts can cause significant damage to the gearbox if left unchecked, leading to reduced efficiency and the need for costly repairs. Using high-quality replacement parts designed to meet the exact specifications of the gearbox will ensure it operates efficiently for an extended period. Proper maintenance and repair of industrial gearboxes are essential to ensuring they operate efficiently and effectively. By taking the time to properly lubricate, inspect, and replace worn parts, you can reduce downtime, minimize repair costs, and extend the life of your gearbox. Don't risk costly downtime and repairs. Work with experienced technicians who understand the specific requirements of industrial gearboxes. They can provide expert advice and guidance, helping you make informed decisions about maintenance and repair. Contact us today to learn more about our maintenance and repair services for industrial gearboxes. Proper maintenance and repair can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run.